About how can you get premium on your PowerPoint app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then here can you select if you want to here if you want to get for one person or two or six people here. Then you just click on start here. So then it's going to take you to this list, just switching to open with you. And here add your credit or debit card here. So then it's going to add with you on your PowerPoint app. So that's all you have to do to get premium. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.